Storing Bitcoin in cold storage is still the safest way to protect your coins. Here's how to set it up. First, get a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. These are offline devices that hold your private keys. When you unbox it, make sure it's from the official store, never buy secondhand. Set it up by creating a new wallet and write down your seed phrase on paper, not on your phone or computer. That phrase is your backup, so keep it in a safe place. Next, install the official wallet app on your PC or phone, then connect your hardware wallet. Now, withdraw your Bitcoin from your exchange, for example Binance, and send it to the wallet address generated by your device. Once it's confirmed, disconnect the wallet. Boom, your Bitcoin is now in cold storage, offline and safe from hackers. If you want extra security, keep your seed phrase in a fireproof safe or split it across 2 locations. That's how you set up cold storage for Bitcoin. Simple, safe, and secure. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.